Hello friends, this video is about making a washable mop. On the last video, I showed you how to trace the pattern from the mop head, and this is the pattern. So now we are ready to cut the fabric using the pattern, and I'm gonna use two kinds of fabric: lining fabric, this one, and the main fabric of the mop, this one here. And I'm gonna make a set of two because this is so folded, so I get two layers there for the lining, so two linings, and then two main fabric of the mop because it's folded. So I just lay it together, lay the main fabric to the lining fabric, ready for cutting. And so we make sure that the pattern cover the area where the fabric is present. So we know that that has two layers of lining fabric, and this one I have to make sure that I lay the pattern covering that area. So okay, so we have to make sure that the edges are covered, the extent of the fabric. So we're ready to cut, but I'm gonna reinforce it with pins so that the pattern does not move while I'm cutting. The paper is kind of flimsy, so it easily tears. Okay, so I'm ready. Here we go. Just cut it even with the pattern. And that's it. We remove the pins. So we have two layers of, or actually four layers, two of the main fabric and two layers of the lining. Then we are going to get it ready for stitching. So we're gonna put together the lining and the main fabric of the mop together. And I chose this side to be the right side. It is a little bit less fussy. You can also choose the more fussy side if it's just a dust mop. You can choose that. But anyway, okay. So we're gonna lay the right side of the main fabric And this lining, there's really no right side or wrong side. This is just a muslin. So I'm just going to lay it supposedly wrong side up so that the right side are facing to each other. So, and do the same thing for the other pair. And this is ready for stitching. Now to stitch, in stitching this fabric, we will just stitch all around the edges, the raw edge, and the lining being on top, because it's easier to sew on a plain muslin than on a piled fabric. So, but we're gonna leave an opening about like that, a hole, so that we can turn the mop right side out. So leave that open, and we will stitch all around the edges. So that's it, and I'm gonna see you on the next video sewing the washable mop. Thank you for watching.